Hi guys, and welcome to the bonus page for JVZOO ToolBox. Now in this video I'm going to go through my bonuses. I'll go through the bonus page. I'll go inside some of my bonus apps so you can see inside those. And I'll jump inside JVZOO ToolBox so you can see exactly what this does. Now before we start this video, a couple of things I want to point out. My bonuses are all for the front end. I've got no bundle bonuses or upgrade bonuses or anything like that. Everything I have is for the front end only. Now, also I want to point out that JVZOO ToolBox, one part of the app, it creates quick and easy bonus pages, which are great. But if you already have our bonus page builder, you already have the best tool on the market for building affiliate bonus pages. So if you have that and you're buying this just for the kind of bonus page creator in it, then don't, because you already have bonus page builder. It does more than just create bonus pages, but I'll show you everything as we go. Okay, so first, the bonuses. Let me show you what I've got. Now the first is JVZOO Domination. So this is my 3 million affiliate system. Now I've been on JVZOO for many years, and I've generated over $3 million in sales on one account. Now, I've created a kind of video course all about this, how to kind of start from beginning to end, and I'm giving you full PLR rights to that as well. Okay, so you can rebrand it, you can call it your own, you've got sales page, everything there with you. You can sell it, you can use it as a bonus, do what you want. Then I've also got the JVZOO Success Scheduler, brand new app, and what this does, it helps you create JVZOO campaigns. I created this kind of campaign creator to help me create campaigns for JVZOO. Now, I'm giving you access to the app, personal rights, but I'm also giving you full PLR rights as well. So you can rebrand it, you can resell it, you can do as you wish with it. So you can use it as a bonus, do whatever you want. Sales page there, all the marketing and everything else. Then I've got the JV's, the 7-figure campaign builder, which again is built for JVZOO. It takes a page and it creates a 7-day promo email campaign. Okay, and I'm also giving you full, again, PLR rights with this. So you can rebrand it, you can give it away, you can resell it, you can do what you want with this app. Okay. Then I've got the affiliate link monitor. Now, with affiliate links, you do get them blocked quite easily on social media, and this is perfect for getting your links out there. Now, not only does it monitor the links, but it kind of does tracking on them and everything else. So it's a perfect addition if you want to kind of, create amazing affiliate campaigns. And again, I'm giving you the full PLR rights to that. Rebrand it, resell it, got sales page, and everything you need. Okay. Then I've also got a live call. Now, as I said, I've been doing affiliate marketing. I've been doing affiliate marketing since 1998, something like that. I've been on JVZOO for 15 years, something like that. And I know affiliate marketing inside out. I'm going to tell you on that call what works. I'll take question and answer. You can ask me any questions about affiliate marketing as well. Now, this is worth the front end price of JVZOO ToolBox alone. Okay. Then we've got affiliate marketing gains. We've got the publishing reseller empire. Now what that is, it's 12 courses that you can rebrand, resell, you can use as products, you can do what you want with them. So you can see the courses here. So scroll down. I've also got the 7-funnel empire system, which is the lead offer, the video upgrade, and the software upgrade as well. So that's an amazing bonus just by itself. Then I've got Build a Perfect Sales Funnel, JVZOO Funnels Made Easy, White Label Funnels Pro. So that includes 3 apps with source code. So you can see this bonus is absolutely huge for the front end. It really is. Then I've got the affiliate funnel, I've got the application funnel, and I've got the membership funnel as well, and how to build a $1 billion business. So as you can see, this bonus is huge. And as I said, this is for the front end only. I've got no bundle bonuses or anything like that. By the front end, and you'll get this bonus. But this launch is for 3 days only, so you need to be quick. At the end of the 3 days, this will close down and you will lose out on this bonus. So make sure that you lock it in. Now, as I said, please remember this is for the front end only. If you do have our bonus page builder, and this is a system that I use all the time, if you have that and you're buying JVZOO ToolBox for the bonus builder section, then you don't need it because you've already got the best tool on the market in bonus page builder. So let's jump inside a couple of these apps so I can show you exactly what they do. Then we'll jump inside JVZOO ToolBox. Okay guys, so here we are inside the JVZOO Success Scheduler. So what this does, it helps you create campaigns for JVZOO. So you click New Campaign. You can set everything up from the campaign name, product name, launch date, JVZOO product URL, bonus page URL, your commission rate, your price structure, everything else. Then you can set daily goals and targets. And what you can do is then you can track everything as it's going. So you can duplicate campaigns, you can manage campaigns, you can create templates. So if you put a template in here, you can do, different things for that. So it's everything that you need to kind of create the perfect campaign. Okay, so then next we have, I'm just giving you a quick overview of these. So this is a 7-figure campaign builder. So what this does, it creates a 7-day email campaign. So if you go here to view, so you can see here it creates a full campaign right to the 7th day. You can create those, build them out, change them, copy, everything else. And we've also got the link creator. This is the link monitor, so you can monitor links, see what they're doing. You can kind of set goals, track commissions and everything else inside link monitor. Now that's just 3 of the bonuses there. And don't forget, those have full PLR, which means you can resell, you can rebrand, you can give away, you can use as bonuses, you can do whatever you want with them. And we've got all those other bonuses on top. So let's jump inside JVZOO ToolBox and you can see what this does. Okay guys, so here we are inside JVZOO ToolBox. Now, as I said, if you find this to create bonus pages and you already have a bonus page builder from us, then you don't need this because you've already got the best in the market. But if you want to get quick and easy kind of affiliate campaigns up really simple, I'll show you how to do this with JVZOO ToolBox. Okay, so first things first, create new page. So create new page. So give the page a name. So this is one that I'm going to be doing shortly. So viral reel. I'll grab the affiliate link for this. So get the affiliate link. Just put that in there. We'll get the sales page link. And we'll put that in there. And we'll click Save New. Okay, so everything's done, kind of generated for you. So you've got the page name, title, special bonus, change that if you want. But headline, I'm going to generate it with AI. That'll pick something from the page and it'll kind of spin it for the page. So sub headline, then YouTube video. Now we haven't done a YouTube video yet, but I'll show you how to quickly kind of do that with this toolbox. So then product description, generate with AI. Okay, so that's pulled it from the page and generated it with AI. So you've got price rating. So I'm going to give this a price rating of 5. I'm going to give it 5 stars all the way down because I'm going to be promoting this. Then here we put in the demo code. I'm not going to do that at the moment. I'm just going to kind of show you how quickly and easily you can build this. Then you've got the sales page. You've got the affiliate ID. So here you can set when the bonus expires. So this launches on the 29th, I believe. So let's say we're going to expire this on the 31st. And now you can add in your bonuses. So add new bonus. So these are the bonuses that are built in. Now you can add more bonuses in and I'll show you that in a moment. So let's just add some bonuses in here. Just add 4 bonuses in. Okay. Then what I'll do is say save and exit. Okay, so you can see it's built the page viral reel. So you can do now, let's view it. So we'll view that page. So you can see I didn't add the YouTube video in, so obviously that's blank. So I'm going to show you how to add that in now. So that's, click here now, that'll take you directly across to the viral reel if it was live, but it's not live now. It obviously goes through your affiliate ID. So that's the product rating. Then it puts in the bonuses, as you can see there, and it says bonus expires in there. So you can see how it builds a quick and easy bonus page. Now also, when you go here, click here for the link, you can see your page URL. So that's the page URL. That's the one I've just shown you. And also this is your delivery URL. So it creates your delivery URL with those bonuses in there. So I'll just show you that as well. Just add your email in. So you can see those are the bonuses, delivery of the bonuses. Okay. So let me show you how to create the video to go with that. So go to videos. We'll click new video. So video name, I'm going to give that as viral reel, and product URL. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the sales page, go back to JVZOO ToolBox, paste that in there, click continue, and it's now scanning the sales page and it's creating the video. So it creates a really simple video for your kind of page. So next we'll click edit. So you can now go through the scenes. So you can see here, unlock the power of viral reel. We can do the next one. And we can change the transitions here as well. And as we're going through them, if we're changing anything, just make sure you hit save scene. So we'll go through each scene. We'll save all as dissolve. Save scene. Again, dissolve, save scene. Dissolve, save scene. Just work his way through these, make sure everything's all right with them. This is how quickly you can get up an affiliate campaign. Save scene. Okay, that's all done. So then we go to video settings. Excuse me. So we've got video name, which we're set as video viral reel. Voice. So let's use Nick. So you can change the background color here if you wish. I'm going to keep the background color as white, text as black. Then here you can change the background music. So let's see what this sounds like. In fact, I've got speakers up. That's okay. So I'll save changes and we're all good to go. Okay. So once that's done, just click render video. Click OK. It's rendering the video now. So wait till that finishes. But there's a lot of training with this as well. So, you know, Brett's used this himself to kind of make a lot of money in the last few weeks. So it's a really easy way to kind of get YouTube videos out there. Get your bonus pages up and running in minutes. And also you can add more bonuses in here as well, which I will show you in a moment as well. But it's a really quick and simple system to kind of create bonus pages with videos as well. Okay, so that's finished. So we'll click continue and we'll exit the video creator and we should see viral reel. There we go. So we can view that. Let me show you how that looks. Oops, I've gone to the wrong page. I'll go to videos. So viral reel there. So what we can do then is we can view that. Let's wait for it to load.
Unlock the power of Viral Reel AI, the ultimate AI tool for creating faceless, viral content on Instagram effortlessly. With just a keyword, you can generate captivating reels, story videos.
So you can see there, it's really simple kind of videos to go with your pages. So once you've done that, just hover over those three dots, download it, upload it to YouTube. And once you've uploaded it to YouTube, come back to your page and add it in here. And then you're good to go. Your page is ready with the video on and you can start pushing it. Okay. Now, as I said, bonuses. Come to bonuses. You can create new bonuses by just clicking create new. So you add in the bonus name, the graphic, the description, and the access URL. So you could add those I give you as bonuses to use. Then we've got customers. So anyone who kind of, as you saw, I added in my email. So you can get the email there and you can download the emails as well. So as you can see, it's a really simple and easy system to create bonuses and to create the videos that go with them. Coupled with my amazing bonus for the front end, it just can't be beat. So make sure that you lock this in if you want to create simple bonus pages, quick and easy, with simple videos, you know, that take literally minutes. As you've just seen here, I've created that within probably 5 minutes, I'd say. 5 to 10 minutes, you've got your bonus page up with your video all ready to go. So make sure that you lock in my bonus. You know, it cannot be beat. But don't forget, this is only a 3-day launch. So don't wait. It will close down at the end of 3 days. So thanks for watching and watch out for the next video.